So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to deposit money in Gate.io from your bank account. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to deposit money in Gate.io from your bank, it's pretty simple. First is you'll have to go on to your Gate.io as usual, and then here you will see your first glimpse of Gate.io. So how do you make a deposit on Gate.io to your bank account? It's pretty simple actually. So from here, as you can see, you'll have your home. You will have your assets, your futures, and you'll see anything right here. So first we're gonna explore that you should sign up first, of course, so that you can put some actual funds here. So here, you have your trade, futures, moments, and wallet. The only thing I'm going to teach you guys is your wallet. So all you have to do is your on-chain deposit from here. So as you can see right here, you have an overview. So here you will see your total asset value and today's P&L and anything else. You can also check for its analysis and other things like that, your total assets. So you have your spot, margin, futures, earn, copy trading, payment, options, and warrant and CBBC. So here, all you have to do is go to your overview, and then here you're gonna see that you will have to go to your spot. So from there, all you have to do to transfer your actual funds from your bank account to deposit in the Gate.io is by doing this. So here, as you can see that you can buy USD. So here you will have a minimum amount of buying the said cryptocurrency that you want. So you want to deposit money in Gate.io, this is how you do it. So you'll have your Express, your P2P, debit, credit card, or even bank transfer. So from here, we're going to do bank transfer. Since in the bank transfer, we're going to try to get from our bank account. So as you can see right here, you have your buy or sell with bank transfer. So here you want to pay, let's just say you want to pay 1,000 USD to receive USDT. Or you can select earning currency of your choice here in this place right here. So you have your Ethereum, your BTC, your BAT, Algo, USDT, and so many much more. So it depends on you on what you want to choose. So let's go with BTC right here. So you can choose a payment channel from here. You have your Coinify, your ADV Cash, your Banksa, and that's all. There are going to be other channels, of course, for other countries, and it depends on your location in the world. So as you can see right here, we have our recommended, which is a bank. So it gives us one BTC that equals to 43,545.71 USD. So here you also have other offers. You can of course go choose a payment channel that is according to your liking. So here you have your amount of 1,000 USD. So as you can see right here, it's fee included already. So as you can see right here, your payment details is estimated to receive about 0.02296 437 BTC with a unit price of a BTC equal to 43,545.71, and your service provider is going to be Banksa. So this always expires every 30 seconds, so it removes the details so that you'll avoid getting compromised by security reasons. So as you can see right here, it's already gonna reset in 30 seconds, and there you go. So disclaimer, you're gonna leave Gate.io and you're gonna go to Banksa. This is a third-party independent trading platform, so you have to press this and press continue, of course. And there you go, and you will have your invoice once you're done paying with your bank account. So you just have to enter your bank account, so you press continue from there. It's gonna redirect you to another place. So notice here that you're now leaving Gate.io platform and you'll be securely passed to another provider, which is your Banksa. So this Banksa will be used to register and complete the KYC verification before you can purchase crypto using your bank account using bank transfer. So it's a success, and now you're here in Banksa. So from there, you will spend 1,000 USD and you will receive this amount of certain Bitcoin. So you will select your blockchain, and right here, so as you can see, you have your payment method. So let's say you're using your bank money for this, so you're gonna go with your Visa or MasterCard. But remember guys, there's always a gateway fee of $1.99 for such. And as like Google Pay right here, there's no gateway fee. So here you'll see your full summary. So you'll be paying 1,000 USD, and the estimated network fee is $8.64 and total payable, and you will have to create your order. So once you're creating your order right here, you have to verify your details, place your address and your mobile country for your mobile number. So here you will select it right there, and here you place your mobile number, country of residence, and yes, you would like to update the promotions if you like to. That depends on you, but you have to accept the terms and services right here. So once you have passed the identity, you will go to your payment, where you will have to place in your bank details after this page. So I can't go further than this since it's not really working with my country, but you'll just have to identify it, and right here, and then you'll have to go to your payment. So let's just place la 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 at la 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 gmail.com. So we go with USA. So let's go with Australia. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right. 1 2 3. Oh, what is the country code for Australia? I'm not really sure. So just do something like that, and you have to place your country of residence. Then it will pass on to your payment, and there you go, guys. So once it is already purchased, of course, you will see it here in your overview. You will have it in your total asset, and there you go. It's just that simple to deposit money in Gate.io from your bank account. It's just like any other trading platform where you have to deposit money from your bank account or whatever, where your money is coming from, into your spot or margin wallets here in your Gate.io. So as you can see, you have your spot and margin. So you can also do some futures, earn, copy trading, payment, and options like I've said a while ago. You can transfer this into your other wallets if you do so. So it depends on if you want to deposit right here, you want to do on-chain or gate code, which is only specifically for Gate.io, guys. So as you can see right there, that is your overview for this video. So that is how you deposit money in your Gate.io from your bank account. And it's just that simple. So if you have other questions, guys, just leave it down in the comment section below. And I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you next time.